and she's scared
Ang sana yung gisnak, right?
that knife, so that's why she jumped over it and turned into
Chips sandwich.
interesting. to
Chips
say the least. I don't
and...
even know what to say about half these
Oh,
things.
chip sandwich.
Alright, so this next one, y'all gotta get a cover, so prepare your
Messi?
ears,
So,
you know, copyright.
unsa man na?
So here's
Lami?
that wonderful cover. I'm gonna try to copy the original audio as much as possible, so warning.
Oh. Dili naman di siya kinahanglan itangag sandwich kay lami siya nga kuan. Lami siya nga tinapay. So ang tinapay gibutangan ni Mariah o kuan.
Okay. Sorry. I got. Let me finish this. Oh, I'm gonna pee on my Okay. I just can't stop laughing.
Sa may makasulti sa imong snack.
Every single Gacha character looks like this. Meet. This is the most beautiful Gacha character I've seen in my entire life. This is the real queen of me. This next
Huh?
one is another My Hero Academia
Ang kaya mong
character.
kasulti ang imong snacks.
Let's watch. Dude, what's she doing? Bro! Oh my god, why does she have to do it? And you? Why did she put you in there? Oh my god, guys, that's us. She's gonna explode us. And also, why did you
Burot,
shift yourself
ba
up?
mo rin.
Like, pick one. No. Now time for everyone's favorite part of these videos, which is where we look at some Gacha Life TikToks to prove that not all Gacha Life TikToks are. So, without further ado, let's roll the first one.
Tunla sa na imong kuan eh.